What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is just going to be reinstalling my turbos. Got them back from Boost Lab, obviously, if you watched my previous video. So we've just got to put them back in the car. Also a little bit of me rewrapping some wiring. So yeah, let's go.
Oh, you doing?
Wrapping this?
Acting like you know what you're doing?
It's literally just wrapping around wire. A monkey could do this.
So easy, kid man can do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know, there's some people that can't do this neatly.
So...
Oh, forget that's fiberglass. Every time.
Always tighten up that hole first, the one that's tight. Oh wow, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, it's weird. I'll hand tighten it and maybe we'll be able to like adjust the turbo where it sits.
Yeah.
A little. Tighten this.
Yeah. It should be.
It would be really cool if I had my electric ratchet here. But yeah. I need to buy 2 electric ratchets. One for here, one for my other one broke at work. I brought the one that I had here, there. I need to go buy another one. Babe, look, you got a turbo.
One single turbo. The hot side is so cute.
The hot side's so cute. Yeah, it's cute like you.
You. You better work. Nope.
14.
Sure.
14.
Okay.
You sure? 14. Nope. Maybe a little bit.
Huh?
What?
I remembered.
Good girl.
Oops.
What'd you do, my dear?
I elbowed the track hawk.
Well, don't hit the hawk. Put a fucking dent in it.
The hawk hit me. I think it hurt me more than it hurt the...
It's stationary.
Jumped out at me.
Yeah. Did it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Says, hey, I'm this man's number 1. Not you. Number 2, actually. Shelly's number 1. I'm number 3.
Who even are you?
Exactly. And then there's Stella. She's number 274.
I like Stella. She's not on the list.
She's not even on the list. She's on my list of people to kill. He meant that, Stella.
Yeah, I did mean it. Every single second of it. I don't like you. This car's junk. This thing belongs in a scrapyard.
Alright. Watch how mean you're getting here. She still has to run.
Does she though?
Yes.
I mean, I could take the turbo kit off and we can just put a blower on it. Bumper dump lower car.
Then I don't have to worry about the hole that's being made in my intake manifold.
Not my fault that your car sucks. It's whoever built it.
It's not my fault either.
Yeah, it isn't. You just bought it.
Buys a car built, ends up having to build it anyways.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, it's great.
Great, love that. None of that switched oil that I need. Where's the third gear?
I don't know. What did you do with it?
What did I do with it? What do you mean?
Okay.
Oh, look. Maybe I did do something with it.
It was on your side of the car, so.
Not my fault that I'm blind. In one eye. You know what I really just can't wait for?
Ugh,
Bumper dome.
I know. How are we gonna map that out?
Don't worry about it. We'll get there.
Okay.
I don't care what anybody says. We're doing one, fucking 3.5, 4.5, 4-inch probably. Bumper dome. Everybody's like, oh my god, twin turbo V8. You should do 4 or 5-inch bumper dome. Yeah, well, the whole exhaust system on this entire car is 2.5-inch pipe. And it's 7 feet long from the manifold to the trans. So, everybody kiss my ass. Yeah, but even still, it's 2.5 and it's 7 feet of pipe and then all the way back to the factory exhaust. Like you're talking 2.5 pipe that's probably 20 to 25 feet long of piping on one side of the car. Maybe.
4 inches is that big.
4 inches isn't that big. Sorry, guys. Heard it first. She said it. You're gonna have to try to put this, your little fingers, put this on that stud.
My little fingers.
Might have to hit the turbo up. Do it. But I have to lower the exhaust on this side. So have fun.
Ow.
You want me to try to hold the turbo for you?
That would be great.
Okay, I got you. I don't want to know what that was.
It was just a nubby wrench. This is what happens when you buy a built car and you have no idea what you're doing.
This is what happens when you have a built car and you go to look at it and your boyfriend doesn't know what he's looking at. Not me, the ex-boyfriend. If you're watching this, you know who you are, bitch.
Why did the Gen 3s have a bigger oil pan than the Gen 2s?
The Gen 3 has a composite oil pan. It's not steel. And I'm pretty sure the way they do the pan, they make it wider. I've never actually looked into it. I just know they're composite. You know what that means?
No.
It's plastic.
Oh,
It's like a fiberglass plastic combination.
weird.
Yep.
That seems like it would easily break.
They do, but I mean, not really. Babe.
They have
Turbos.
turbos! Where's the hell you're just doing it anyways?
I have a problem with letting people do things when I'm just already doing something.
I know.
I just like to do it. And I like things done a certain way. You know? I apologize. Not really, but.
I'm at a stuck point. I'm too short for this.
Hi.
Oh, slipped off. See, I feel like the way the hose forms, it goes backwards though and around the coolant pipe. Like if you line it back up there, it looks like it wraps around this, not behind.
We're gonna find out, babe.
But what do I know? I'm not a mechanic.
That fell into place. Well, it's already on.
Okay.
Hey, babe.
Yeah.
What do we do next time that we get interested in buying a car?
Buy a stock one.
Good girl.
Oh boy. That was right. You hit me.
What? The what?
Yes.
Flathead or something over here?
Mm-mm.
Wanna go get me one? Please, tool.
Hey.
By the time she brings that back, I'm gonna be done with this one.
It's Mrs. Tool. Miss, actually, I'm not married.
It's a miss. I'm not married. Yeah. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
You're the best. Couldn't have done without you.
All I do is stand here.
Stand here and look pretty.
Okay.
No? No comment to that?
No. You don't need this no more?
Nope, I don't. Thank you. Appreciate you. So turbo's on, drains are on. I gotta finish up the coolant system at some point. Zip ties, but this was my car, it wouldn't be. Whatever. What the heck was that?
Yes.
Sorry, am I keeping you up?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Snack time.
Is it?
No, I don't know. Oh! Sorry.
Are you though?
No. No, I yawn because my brain doesn't get enough oxygen.
Can you hold this, please?
Yeah.
Like, so I can see down here what I'm doing. That'd be nice. Hello. How are you?
Good.
Coming here often?
Unfortunately, yes.
Is that true? Is that how you really feel?
About the car, yeah.
Just.
Dude, these little plastic wire holders are f***ing annoying.
Plastic wire.
Yeah, the plastic little tubes that you throw around wires. Yes, you do.
I do, but you're doing a very horrible job of explaining it.
I don't know what this is called.
I feel like it's gotten so much colder in here.
Really? It feels warm right here.
It's because I'm
Probably because you're on the ground. What are you, mad that I'm right?
Probably not wrong. You know, so here I am on the ground,
Yeah.
fixing your truck. Babe,
Yeah.
give me some more zip ties.
I'm sacrificing 5 zip ties to the car box.
Nick, Taylor, Nick.
Hello,
Hi.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Where'd you put the zip tie snippers?
Right here. Fucking everywhere. So many things going on, bro. Not much. Fixing this turd.
Always. As always, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.